Excitement is buzzing in the automotive world as whispers of the 2025 BMW M135i xDrive begin to surface. Drawing on insights from CarWow and BMW blog, let's deep dive into what this hot hatch might bring to the table. Although not officially released yet, the speculations around it promise a thrilling blend of innovation and performance. First up, let's talk about the heart of the M135i, the engine. It's rumored that the 2025 model will turbocharge its game with an enhanced 2.0-liter engine. While we don't have exact numbers yet, expect more than the current 306 horsepower. This upgrade aims to deliver a punchier, more exhilarating drive that keeps pace with or zooms past its competitors. Now, on to design and aesthetics, where the M135i is not just about speed but also about making a statement. Anticipate a sharper, more aggressive look with the latest BMW design cues. Think crisper lines, an assertive stance, and possibly even a revamped grille that makes you look twice. Inside, luxury meets the latest tech with anticipated upgrades to materials and a state-of-the-art infotainment system that keeps you connected in style. Practicality is also key with the M135i. It's expected to stay true to its compact, city-friendly dimensions while offering a spacious interior to ensure comfort on both quick jaunts and longer journeys. The car remains a practical choice with its 5-door configuration, blending everyday usability with sporty flair. In the dynamics department, BMW is likely tweaking the xDrive system to enhance the M135i's agility and response. This means better handling and possibly new driving modes that adapt to your needs, whether cruising city streets or taking on winding mountain roads. As for when you can get behind the wheel, keep your eyes peeled in 2024 for its debut as a 2025 model. Pricing details are under wraps, but expect a figure that reflects its premium features and enhancements. For those eager to learn more about this fascinating blend of luxury and performance, stay tuned to sources like CarWow and BMW blog. They're your go-to for the latest automotive news and insider insights. And if the M135i has caught your eye, why not check out something equally thrilling? Dive into the dynamic world of the Volkswagen Golf R. Explore what makes it a standout in its class and why it might just be the next best addition to your garage. Click here to discover more about the Golf R.